Testing, testing. Alright, sound should be good. We're going to get started here a few minutes early because I want to beat the rain. I'm outside recording right now. I'm on vacation, so if it starts raining, I got to go in. So I wanted to start a little bit early. Alright, so let's look at Bitcoin. I'm going to start off with Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin's about to go to $43,000, but we'll see what happens. So obviously, you're making higher lows on Bitcoin ever since you bottomed on the 20th of March, which is extremely bullish. And if you look at this on the 15-minute chart, I think we're in some sort of rising wedge. Now, if you're watching me on YouTube, you can see what I'm drawing. I think that would mean that we're going to break to the upside, but it's, I can't tell you that exactly. That's just what my guess is. That Bitcoin breaks to the upside. The target for that happening would be $43,000. So that's kind of my ultimate target. If you break 43, you're looking at 47K, which would be the next resistance line for Bitcoin. Awesome, you can hear me. Awesome. It is starting to sprinkle, so this might be a very quick video. I want to go over JASMY really quickly. All right, JASMY right now is in a rising wedge. So what I think is going to happen, I said for JASMY, the move to the downside, a confirmation that we're going lower would be a move below 3.5. A confirmation that we're going higher and then it's breaking to the upside would be a move above 4.2 cents, which is where the 6.18 fib is, and to the downside, the 236 fib is at 3.4 cents. And my targets for JASMY, if it broke to the upside, would be 5 cents and then 6 cents. I think 6 cents would be an ultimate target for blow off top, like we had when we hit I think it was 5 cents. So if we hit 6 cents, I think that'd be a great place to take profit. I'll take profit, maybe some profit at 5 cents as well. And a good stop loss for a JASMY trade, which I'm currently in this trade, I would say it'd be between 3.4 or 3.45 cents. So that's kind of what I'm doing with JASMY right now. I think I have everything. Maybe I'll buy another $1,000 of JASMY before you have this move up. The move is expected to happen, at least based on how I drew it, would be by 8 a.m. tomorrow, which is in about 16 hours. So that's kind of how I'm looking at JASMY. Right now we're at 3.7 cents. I was DCAing in to get the best price throughout the day, and I think my average price is around 3.6 cents probably. So that's kind of how I see the coin, JASMY. If you guys have any requests, let me know. And I just want to jump on here really quick to make sure I went live for today. Next time we'll be live will be Friday, 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Another coin I was in a trade today was... I want to find it. Maybe I can't remember. Just a sec. Let me check. Alright, so it was MIR protocol. Okay. So my average entry price in this one is $1.65. I only put $2,000 in this trade. But this is in a falling wedge, so it definitely could break to the downside, and a good stop would be 135 for this. But if it breaks to the upside, you're targeting, I was targeting, what was it targeting? $3.18. So that's kind of how I see. Those are my two trades I'm in right now. I'm more heavily in JASMY over MIR protocol, but if MIR broke out, then it'd be like a 70 or 80% move to the upside. I forgot what it was exactly. I think it was 80%. From $1.60 to 3.18, or yeah, 3.18. So I'm in MIR protocol trade and a JASMY trade right now, and we went over Bitcoin. So if you guys have any requests, let me know. But that's kind of what I'm in right now. I did see that Elon 1 had a little bit of a dip, but I think it was just because one person sold like 13 Ethereum. So that's the only reason that dipped. So I'm not worried about that. I haven't been paying as much attention to JASMY or to Elon 1 recently. I'm just waiting for them to launch a marketplace. When they do that, I'll definitely be buying more. But I want confirmation of that happening before I do, because I'm not going to buy and just have the price go down again. So, yeah. So that's kind of everything I wanted to go through. It's starting to rain now, so I'm going to have to go back up. But I just wanted to quickly go through everything. I can look at XRP quickly. So I don't know, maybe this is a rumor, but I heard that they're really close to figuring out the lawsuit for XRP, so that's awesome. But let me go to the daily chart and see what we can see. Well, right now, okay, I'm going to delete that fib. So from one point, Well, I'm just going to do the fibs from here. From the last local high to the last local low, you're currently trying to get above the 6... No, what fib is that? Yeah, you're actually trying to get above the 618 fib right now. That was at 80 cents. You're at 83 right now, so the next target is the 0.76 fib up here at 84.63 cents, or we'll call it 85 cents. So that's the next target. And then you have a local high up here at 92 cents. So those are targets to the upside, which is 85 cents and then 92 cents. I would say right now it looks good. Let me go to the MACD and look quickly. MACD on the daily chart is overbought. So, well, not overbought, but it is getting up there. 1 hour chart looks like it could be reversing. So we could have a small reversal. 4 hour chart is up there. How's the RSI looking? RSI is probably more important than the MACD for right now. 1 hour chart is coming down the RSI. The 4 hour chart is overbought. The 6 hour chart is overbought. The 12 hour chart is almost overbought. The daily chart is currently at 62, so not overbought. The 3-day chart is 55. So my guess is you have a small pullback to 80 cents. And probably just consolidate between 80 and 85 cents before the next move higher to 92 cents. That's what I would say JASMY or XRP is going to do, unless Bitcoin loses its mind and goes back down to 40K. So with that being said, that's kind of it. Quant, I can look at that quickly as well. Okay, so Quant's currently at $120. I'll go to the daily chart on this. Oh, the daily chart is actually a buy according to my new indicator. It's like the free market cipher you can use on TradingView. But yeah, it's a buy on the daily chart. I don't know. That doesn't flash very often where you get an indicator like that. Last time you had a flash was, I guess, the 14th of February, which was like a week ago. No, that was a month and a half ago. No, it wasn't. Oh, actually, you did have a sell signal on the 7th of March, which was 2 weeks ago. But so it doesn't happen very often, maybe 1 or 2 times a month. And right now it's saying it's a buy, so this is probably a local bottom from your last local high, which I'm going to do it from the $132 to your local bottom. Let me zoom in here a little bit. This is on a smaller time frame. You currently have the 0.382 fib at $118, and the next fib to the upside is a 0.5 fib, which I don't think will be hard to get through at 120. Then the 618 is up here at 123.4. And then you had your local high up here at, no, then you had the 0.786 fib at 126.75, and then you had the local high at 132. So short term, it looks good. I think it's going to probably continue higher in the next week or two. We will see what happens. Quant looks better than XRP and the other coins I've looked at, although some of the coins I've looked at are in patterns that tend to break to the upside. So that's why I'm in some of the trades I'm in right now. So don't forget I'm beautiful. All right. Thank you. Thanks. No problem. So, yeah, if you guys are new, appreciate if you subscribe. Follow my page. I'm going to have to get out of here because I don't want to get wet. It's supposed to start raining here in a second. Yeah, I will be back live Friday at 4:30 p.m. Central Time. And I'm currently in a trade on JASMY and Mir Protocol, MIR. I'll make YouTube videos on that as well. So if you guys want to go check that out, feel free to do so. But with that being said, that's all I got. I appreciate you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you guys Friday for my next live. Until then, trade safe, and hopefully you guys have a great week ahead of you guys. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday. All right. Alrighty, so with that being said, do you have a Discord or Telegram? I do have a Telegram. If it should be in the link, the bio on this video live stream. If it's not, go to one of my other videos and it is there. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video right now. If you guys, I'll keep this live because why not? But I was gonna make a video on the other coin that I'm in a trade in right now. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do. So and then yeah, all right. So make sure sound works. It is good. So this is how I make videos, guys. All right. So let's do this. Alright guys, so I just made a video on JASMY, and now I'm going to make a video on Mir Protocol, MIR. You can actually buy this on Coinbase. I didn't know that, but look at what I saw on the chart. Not saying I'm the one that found this. Someone else in my group found this. This is on the 6-hour chart right now. Well, it's actually on all time frames, but it's easiest to see on the 6-hour chart. This is going to be in a falling wedge, which is more likely to break to the upside. If it does break to the upside, my ultimate target was $3.18. And in this trade, I do have to still put my stop in, but my stop would be down here $1.36. So that's kind of it. You're in a falling wedge right now. My average entry price is $1.65. I tried to DCA into this trade a little bit, but I first noticed it when it was at $1.70 the other day. I think it was 2 days ago, and then I saw it went to $1.59. So it's about to break to the upside. You're having lower highs and you're having higher lows, or just a little bit of higher lows. So, or the lows are about the same, but you're having lower highs. So I do think a buy. Today's the 21st. So in 2 days' time. 2 days, 8 hours time, I expect a big move to the upside or downside. I think if you go below $1.36, that confirms this to the downside. That's why I would have my sell there. You could probably have your sell a little bit closer, and I think a move above $1.80, which is resistance, would be confirm a move to the upside. So with that being said, that's kind of the trade I'm in right now. Let me see with the MACD. MACD was making higher lows on the 6-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, same thing. That's bullish divergence right there on the MACD, and the 1-hour chart doesn't really have anything bullish. Well, actually, yeah, it does. You're making higher lows even there. So yeah, MACD definitely has bullish divergence on the 1, 4, and 6-hour charts. So I think that we have a move to the upside, but I mean, even with bullish divergence, if I can talk, you can still go to the downside. So that's kind of the trade I'm in. I'm currently in a trade on JASMY, and this isn't as big of a trade as JASMY dollar-wise, but this is still a $2,000 trade for me. So with that being said, that's all I got. We'll see in the coming days what happens, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Alright, so that's how I make videos, guys. Was JASMY on a buy signal? Well, I just made a video on that. If you guys are just joining, I did make a video on that just now, and I did say JASMY is a buy. I personally have a few grand in that. We'll just say that. It's more than my Mirror Protocol trade. So, and I think I'm more bullish on Mirror Protocol right now. So, yeah. I'm more bullish on Mirror Protocol right now than no, I'm more bullish on JASMY trade than Mirror Protocol. That's why I have more money in that. So I'm trying to do two things at once, and it's probably not working out very well. But yeah, I'm gonna upload this video, and next time I will be live will be Friday. Oh my God, I can't think. Friday, 4:30 Central Time, 4:30 p.m. Central Time. But yeah, I do have a buy on that. I'll go over JASMY really quick, even though I just went over it, but. It'll be really quick. So this is a rising wedge to the upside. A confirmation that you're going down would be a move below 3. What was it? Well, I think it was 3.2. Hold on. Well, I don't know what it was. I don't know why my fibs just got deleted or what happened. I think it was 3.4. And a move to the upside would be confirmed if you got a move above 4.2, which was where the 618 was. And to the downside, I believe it was 3.4. So if you lose... No, this isn't even JASMY. No wonder I'm confused. I still don't see it on here either. I don't know what happened to my fibs, but I believe it was a move... No, it was a move below 3.6 would confirm a move to the downside. That's where the 236 fib was. I'll have to re-add them. I don't know what happened. And then to the upside, the 6.18 fib was at 4.2 cents. Right now, it looks like we're moving to the upside and really testing the top of this wedge. But the latest this can break out, at least based on how I drew it, would be 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, which is in about 16 hours. So, and it could break out much sooner. Usually, they do break out sooner. And because we had bullish momentum on the MACD, or bullish divergence on the MACD, I think we go to the upside. But it just depends on what the market wants to do. So that's currently the trade I'm in. I have more than a few $1,000 in here. So my targets for this trade was 5 cents and then 6 cents. And I think eventually you go all the way up here to this resistance. But I think by 6 cents you get a major pullback at least to 4 or 5 cents before you move any higher. So that's the trade I'm in. I'll make an update video tomorrow on that. But with that being said, that's kind of the JASMY update. Okay, it has. Well, if you guys go to my TikTok, then it should be there, but I'll update that. Hold on a second. This should work. I mean, this should work. I just updated the other day, unless... Let me make sure this works. Because this is the one I posted in the video. Maybe in this live, I didn't update it for a while. Okay, well, I'll make sure that works, and, yeah. I'll make sure it works. Thanks to you for letting me know, though. So, but if you go to my other videos, it should be there. Otherwise, on TikTok it definitely works, but I'll make sure to fix that. Appreciate it, Trent. Could you refresh so we can join? We appreciate your work a lot. Awesome. Yes, I will. I'll make sure I do that in about right after I get off this video. So check it in about 15 minutes after I get off this video, and I'll make sure it works. Otherwise, it's also on TikTok. No problem. Northwoods was 3.5. Yeah, so it was 3.6 cents, I believe, was moved to the downside for JASMY to confirm that we're going down. I believe that was it. I'll have to check. I'll have to check on that. But otherwise, I made it in my, if you guys are curious about what the price was, I don't even remember. I made a YouTube video on it right before I started the live stream. You could go check that out, and then it would tell you the price it was. I thought it was 3.6. It might have been 3.4 actually, but I don't even know anymore. So, yep. So with that being said, that's all I got. Thanks guys for joining. I'll see you guys Friday, 4:30 p.m. Central Time for our next live. Until then, trade safe. Have a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next few days on my regular videos. Have a great weekend, guys.